Welcome to another video, to a mini lesson on Machu Picchu, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. So this is Machu Picchu right here. It's a city that's built in the Andes Mountains in South America. It is amazing to think how they would have built this many years ago without any kind of machinery and power tools. So let's have a look and learn some fun facts about Machu Picchu. So Machu Picchu is on the list of the new 7 wonders of the world. In the year 2000, most of the 7 wonders of the ancient world were destroyed. So a competition was held and many entries were made to establish the new 7 wonders of the world. So Machu Picchu is one of those. It is located in the mountains of Peru in South America, 7,000 feet above the sea level. It was built in the 15th century in the mountain range called the Andes. 7,000 feet above sea level is 2,430 meters above sea level. Machu Picchu is made up of more than 150 buildings, ranging from baths and houses to temples and sanctuaries. It also contains more than 100 separate flights of stairs. The structures were so well built that not even a knife blade can fit in between the stones. Most stones are cut to fit together without mortar. Machu Picchu was an astronomical observatory, and its sacred stone accurately indicates the 2 equinoxes. So twice a year, the sun sits directly over the stone, creating no shadows. The Inca Empire was one of the largest in pre-Columbian America, covering Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, and Ecuador. Llamas and alpacas are found grazing the grounds of Machu Picchu. They were traditionally valued for their wool and nutrient-rich poop to fertilize crops. Machu Picchu translates to Old Mountain or Old Peak. Here's a little bit of the traditional clothing of South Americans in Peru. And here is a beautiful picture of some llamas or alpacas in Machu Picchu. Well, there was your mini lesson for today, learning about Machu Picchu. Hope you had fun with this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!